Hey YouTube, it's Lego Boy 878, and I am going to be showing you how to make. Okay, where is he? Where did I put him? Oh, there he is. Make this rifle. I don't know if I would classify it as a CloneCommando rifle or pistol. It looks like this. It's a real simple thing to make, and it looks really nice with your Episode 3 clones that are new this year. And I'll show you, while I'm at it, how I suit up my Episode 3 clone. But first, I'll show you how to make this. It is a very simple process. All you do is you get this just normal clone rifle, and you cut off that scope or shave it down. I have nail clippers, so I cut it off to make it easier. So hold on. Here, actually, let's see if I can stand this up on something to look at. No, I don't think I can. So yeah, so you cut it off with nail clippers or whatever you got, and you should end up with something like that. It has a little stub where the scope used to be and the little sight thing, and all you do is you get your nail file and shave that off. So I'll shave that down really quick. Hold on. Okay, so there we go. And then you get it with something like this, which is shaved. That is almost done. As you can tell, there is a very slight difference between these two guns. Is that this is the final product, and this is the old one. You can tell this one has this little underpart right here, right next to the trigger. So we will cut that off with nail clippers, just like when I trim it off a little. Hold on. Okay, now that I got all this, then it's really easy to shave off. I use it like this, back and forth, and it should come off like a dream. It's not coming off. Hold on. There, now it's coming off. Just gotta rip that off. And then after that, you can just kind of shave that off really quick. Just kind of shave that off really quick, and you're pretty much done. I kind of clipped off a little bit of the trigger accidentally, but you should get something that looks. Got stuff on my camera. You should get something that looks like that. And then what you do when you're done with it is you put it in some water, and just for a little bit, because there is going to be, after you shave it off, there's going to be some parts that are still have like hard parts that you couldn't get off after rubbing your finger on it. Like this one you can tell there's a little bit left. So yeah, so you're just gonna put the one you're not done yet. You just put it in the water for like a second, take it out and dry it off with your shirt or with a little napkin or anything, and just get it dried off. And you should end up with something like that, and it looks really nice with your CloneCommando trooper or whatever. And okay, now that we have this, I will show you if you've gotten the new battle pack with the cannon like that I have, you will get a CloneCommando that looks something like this. I like this little thing on it. Kind of looks weird, but you put his stuff on. He comes with a little backpack. What I do is there's like a few extra black arms that come with the package that are supposed to just be support in case that one right there breaks. So what I do is I put on this backpack and hook the black arm to the back of his backpack, and then put a sniper rifle on the end of the arm, so the commando can have his sniper rifle ready. It looks really nice, I think, and stuff. So I'm gonna put the new guns that we just made, both of them. Well, one I had pre-made to show you, and the one we just made. I'm gonna put them in the the Commando episode 3 Commander guy clone sands, and they look really nice. They kind of look like, I don't know, they look nice, I think. They are very nice. So yeah, in my next review I will probably be reviewing some sets and stuff. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe.